Sorghum, or scientifically known as Sorghum bicolor, commonly called sorghum known as a great millet, broom corn, guinea corn, duran, MP, jowar, or milo, is a species in the grass genus. Sorghum cultivates for its grain according to Del Mores Cardoso 2016 that sorghum is a source of nutrients and bioactive compounds, especially 3-deoxyanthocyanidins, tannins, and polycosanols, which beneficially modulates in vitro in animals parameters related to non-communicable disease.
Sorghum. Scientific name, Sorghum bicolor. So, genetic descriptions. Sorghum bicolor is commonly known as the sorghum. It is a tropical C4 crop that originated in Ethiopia and was domesticated there. So, it is the fifth most widely grown cereal crop in the world. So, chromosomal number 2n equals 2x is equals to 20. So, chromosome number. So, sorghum has 20 chromosomes, which means it has two sets of 10 chromosomes each. Nuclear DNA. The nuclear DNA is 1.6 pg. It is the amount of DNA in the nucleus of sorghum cell is 1.6 picograms. Next is the genome size. So, approximately 735 mbp or the megabase pairs. So, the entire genome of sorghum consists of approximately 735 million base pairs or mbp, which is a measure of the total genetic information. Genetic diversity. High levels of genetic variation have been observed among different sorghum accessions. So, this diversity is crucial for breeding programs aimed at improving yield and other agronomic traits. So, genetic diversity, sorghum exhibit a high level of genetic variation, which is beneficial for breeding programs as it allows for the selection of desirable traits. Then, autogamous. Predominantly self-pollinating, which help maintain genetic purity. So, being predominantly self-pollinating means that sorghum plants usually fertilize themselves, which helps maintain genetic purity and consistency in traits across generation.
Sorghum is an Asian crop of African origin and especially important in semi-arid tropics of Africa and South Asia, with a significant production also in China, Southeast Asia, and the Americas. Questions regarding the time and place of its origin and domestication have been long deliberated on and debated. The earliest evidence of wild sorghums comes from hunter-gatherers in the Sahara, dating to about 2000 BC, but the earliest known domesticated sorghum until now dated to 2000 and 1700 BC was reported from a late Harappan India, where it is not a native crop. Recent archaeobotanical evidence, however, points toward the eastern Sudanese savanna as the center of origin of sorghum cultivation. This is account present an interview of the current understanding on the origins, domestication, and diffusion of sorghum bicolor.
Sorghum is a versatile cereal crop, and its cultivars are classified into four main types or breeds based on their primary uses. First is grain sorghum. Grain sorghum is available in various shapes and sizes. Comes in red, orange, bronze, tan, white, and black varieties. Red, orange, bronze are versatile. Tan, cream, white are used in flour, and black and burgundy have antioxidant properties. Uses of grain sorghum are primarily grown for human consumption and livestock feed. Its characteristic is it produces small rounded grains that comes in various colors, including white, red, and brown. The grains are rich in carbohydrates and serve as a staple food in many regions, especially in Africa and Asia. Forage sorghum. It is a type of sorghum, versatile crop, can be utilized for various purposes like grazing pasture, hay production, silage, and grain chop, with its most popular use being silage for livestock feeding. The uses of forage sorghum is it's cultivated for animal fodder, silage, and grazing. It characterized to be tall plants with high biomass production. The stalks are juicy and rich in sugar, making them suitable for silage. The application of forage sorghum is it is used in livestock feeding due to its high digestibility and nutritional content. Broom corn sorghum. It is also a type of sorghum that is used for making brooms and whisk brooms. It differs from other sorghums in that it produces heads with fibrous seed branches that may be as much as 36 inches long. Broom corn is primarily used for production of brooms and brushes. It characterized to be produces long, stiff panicles that are not suitable for grain production, but are ideal for crafting durable bristles. For application, historically used for making traditional brooms, though it is used as declined with the rise of synthetic materials. Sweet sorghum, it is grown for sorghum syrup, is used as healthy alternative sweetener in whiskey, rum, biofuel, and chemical production as well as in table sweeteners. Sweet sorghum is used for its sugary juice. It characterized to be tall with thick, juicy stalks that contain high level of fermentable sugars. The application of sweet sorghum is it is used for syrup production, biofuel, or ethanol, and occasionally as fodder after sugar extraction.
Genetic livestock improvement. To improve sorghum production, research should focus on genetic cytoplasmic diversification to enhance yield, grain resistance, drought tolerance, post-rainy season adaptability, sweet stalk traits, and grain micronutrient density. Enhancing the quality of stover and grain is crucial to increasing market value. Collaboration between ICRI, SAT, and NARS partners is essential to ensure that genetic modifications have a significant impact on farmers' fields. By integrating efforts in these areas, sorghum production can be significantly improved, benefiting both farmers and consumers, while addressing global challenges like food security and climate resilience.
Summary and conclusion. Sorghum is among the most versatile of crop species with wide environmental adaptation and a diversity of end uses. The genetic resources available to sorghum breeders contain in both currently utilized breeding germplasm as well as the extensive public germplasm collections represents in a rich repository of genetic variations that is necessary for breeding progress.